Sunil here from Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. We're on a house wash today, double story. So we're on the first floor, and I'm just going to show you here so you can see how there's a lot of dirt that's been collecting under the eaves. And this is a fake weatherboard. You can hear that here. It's a fake weatherboard. And I'll just show you here how much improvement we can do. So if you're ever wondering whether you should do a house wash, have a look at this. So we wash the gable first. Look at that. It's absolutely fantastic. There we go, folks. I hope you can see that really clearly. There's just a massive difference in terms of the brightness and also just in terms of the reflection of light, which directly corresponds to space. So I hope that's a great incentive for you to consider whether your house needs a wash, and if it does, give us a call and we'll give you a quote. Thank you for watching.